a nice clean cut. And now you have the refill. It's much easier to hold. It looks more like a pen now. You can really easily write with it. You can easily write with this, and it looks more like a pen. And as a bonus, you have the duct tape, which is always there available. And I'm going to do the same with this smaller refill, which is it's a bit harder to do it with this one, but it will still work. You hold it like this straight and spin it. Spin the refill. You could even have 2 rolls. Let's try 2 rolls.